everyone. Welcome back to the YouTube channel Vivek Saini Codes. So today we are going to discuss regarding same direction pointers template. So as you know, in this playlist and in this particular section of this website, we are going to discuss regarding two pointers pattern. So here we will solve step by step problems related to two pointers. So as you are able to see here, we have one problem to sum, which we will solve in next video, and like this we will solve multiple problems related to two pointers step by step in upcoming videos, and I will publish all those problems here in this particular website. So this website link I will provide you in videos description, so you can check it out from there. So in previous video we have already discussed regarding opposite direction pointers template. So you can check video in this particular playlist, and this particular website you can also check it out to check the content related to opposite direction template. So actually we are discussing here regarding templates, opposite direction and same direction. Why we need these templates? Actually, to solve any problem we need to understand these two templates. So if we are familiar with these templates, we are familiar with all the scenarios related to these templates, it will be very helpful for us when we will solve problem related to two pointers. So if we are solving any problem, first we need to understand which template is going to match our problem statement scenarios. First we need to check this particular thing, then we can apply that particular template based on the scenarios. Maybe here we have multiple scenarios in our template, but in our problem statement all the scenarios is not matching. So whichever scenarios and how many scenarios is matching, we need to implement our template accordingly. So we will modify our template as per our problem statement. So this exercise we will do in each and every problem statement when we will solve our problems related to two pointers. So today's topic is same direction template. So let's get started related to this. As you can see here, we have multiple steps here. I will explain you everything step by step, and first we will start from basic description of this particular template. So as name suggests, it is same direction pointers template. So in two pointer we have two pointers, left pointer and right pointer. So in previous video we have already discussed regarding opposite direction. So there left pointer moving in forward direction and right pointer was moving in backward direction, but here case is completely different. So this is our same direction pointers template. Here as you can see, we have two pointer. First one is left pointer, which is at 0th index, and second one is right pointer, which is at first index. So this is I or J, you can also say. So in this problem I am taking left and right naming convention. So as you can see, we have 0 index, first index, second index, third index and fourth index. So both the pointer will move in forward direction only. Forward direction means when left pointer will move from 0th index to right, so it will be left plus plus, and when right pointer will move from first index to second index, so it will be right plus plus. So every time it will be left plus plus, right plus plus, or both left plus plus and right plus plus. It basically depends on our scenarios. So we will discuss it step by step. Let me explain you all these things. So let me clear it out, and then we will jump to the next slide. So our next slide is without any target. So without any target means as you can see here, we have total 3 scenarios. Actually these scenarios are target specific. First one is here we are checking target equality. Then we will check if our desired value is less than target. and then we will check if our desired value is greater than target. So all these scenarios related to target, and this is our basic template structure where we don't have any target. So this we are going to discuss here. So that means we don't have any target. If we will discuss it here in this slide. So what we are doing basically, we let's say we have a use case where we need to swap our number. So we are swapping our number, left number with right number, and again we are swapping, then again we are swapping. So like this we are doing without any target, means we are not matching anything, we are not checking any particular condition, any particular criteria. We are just swapping our numbers and moving both the pointer in forward direction. So first time here I am swapping, I am checking, this is my left, this is my right, I am swapping and moving my pointer. Now it will be left pointer will be first index and right pointer will be second. Again I am checking and swapping, then my left pointer will be here, right pointer will be here. Again I'm checking and swapping, like this I will do. So this is the use case for this. We could have any use case actually, this is not related to like swapping of number. So basically this is basic structure of our template. So as you can see, our left pointer will always start from 0th index, that is why we are initializing. And here in this particular video I am using basic Java syntax. Syntax is very straightforward. Any other programming background people can understand it easily, whether they are coming from PHP or Python or C Sharp, any language they are coming from. So easily they can understand it. Syntactically it's very straightforward. So our left pointer will start from 0th index and right pointer always will start from this. So as you know, we are iterating here over an array or list maybe. So that is why I need to iterate. So I'm applying here while loop. So for while loop we need to have a condition or a criteria. So why I'm using this criteria, right will be less than array dot size, then I will move my pointer unless right will be less than this. So why I'm doing this? So I will move my pointers in forward direction. Let's say my pointer now at last index of this particular array. So what will happen? It cannot move further because it will be at last index, right one. So that is why the criteria is right less than array dot size. So this is basic syntax I'm using. So as you can see here, it is moving every time forward direction. One step we are moving left and one step we are moving right. So like this we are writing left plus plus and right minus minus. Here we don't have any condition because we are doing it without any target. So we need not to match anything. Whatever logic we are implementing, that we need to write. So here we have taken example of swapping of number. We can write down that particular logic here. If we have any other logic apart from this, so we can write that particular logic. So now we will discuss regarding target specific thing. So these are the three scenarios which totally depend on target. So let's take one example related to target where our target will match our desired value. So desired value means here I am taking an example of current difference. So this is an array which is in ascending order. All the numbers are in ascending order, and I need to check difference of two element I will pick based on my indices of left element and right element. Then I will differentiate and I will check current difference. So this is my desired result. If this desired result is going to match with my target, this particular condition is called target specific equality check. So we can say this. So as you can see here, this is my right pointer. This is my left pointer. This is my right pointer. If I will differentiate these two numbers based on my indices, so 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And my current target, my target is given already 1. So that is matching. So what I need to move? what I need to do now, I need to move both the pointer. I will move this one step ahead and I will move this one step ahead. So let's jump to the another slide. So here I have already moved both the pointers. This pointer I have moved from here to here, and this one I have moved from here to here. Again I'm checking, it's again meeting my criteria, it's equal to my target. So again I will move this pointer from here to here and this pointer from here to here. I will do it until unless my target will be equal to my current tip. I am continuously doing it, and I will do it until unless my right is less than array dot size. So in this way I am going to do this. So how I can write down the code related to this? So let me copy this particular thing from here. So this is my basic syntax. So what I am doing here, actually I am just checking one condition. So what is my condition here? So condition is current diff I am checking, means difference so if my current difference is equal to target, then it's meeting my criteria, then I will move left plus plus, and then I will move right plus plus. Yeah, this is the condition. Everything rest thing will be the same, means this is same, we need to start from here only. This condition will be same. The logic which I need to write, I can write here. Here I am checking my condition basically that I have implemented. Otherwise rest thing is same. Why I am using both the pointer? Because I am moving both the pointer in same direction. So that is why. So let's take another example where my current difference, my desired result is less than target. In that case, what we need to do? So let's say my target is 2 and my zeroth, my left pointer will start always from 0th index and right pointer will start from first index. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. This is my current difference. So this is less than 2. This is less than current target. So what I need to do, actually I need to have a bigger difference. So which pointer I need to move? If I will move this pointer, then what will happen? Again, if I will move both the pointer, this from here to here and this from here to here, again sum will be 1 only. So this particular logic will not work. I cannot move both the pointers simultaneously. Now take another example. If I will move this pointer from here to here, what will happen? 2 minus 2 will be 0. So it will also not going to work for us. Let's take one more example. I am moving this pointer from here to here. So let me jump to the next slide. I am moving only right pointer from first index to second index. So left pointer will be there. So I will not move this particular pointer. So now check difference. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 and it's matching our criteria. So that is why what I need to do in this particular scenario, if my current difference is less than target, in that case I need to move right only. I won't move left one. So let me write down code related to this. So this is the thing, this is less than target. So if it is less than target, I need to remove this line from here. So this will be the case. Now let's jump to the another one. So here my current target, so this is my third scenario. My desired target is greater than, my desired result is greater than target. So my desired result is, here is current dip. It could be anything. That does not mean it will always be current difference. It could be anything. But here I am taking one huge case that is related to current difference. So when we will solve our problem, so there we will check multiple things. So As you can see here, my target is 0, but my number difference 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, which is greater than my target. So what I need to do, I will move both the pointer, what will happen every time I will get 1. So it's not going to work for us. If I will move this pointer ahead, so what will happen? This particular difference will maximize. That is not required for me. I need to minimize it actually. So let's jump to the next slide. So what I'm doing, I am just moving left pointer one step ahead. I am not moving right pointer here. So now what is the result? 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. That is matching our target. So let me write down the code related to this. So here what we are doing, if this is greater than this, then I need to move left only, not right. So these are the all three scenarios which we have discussed here related to this. So now final template combined all the scenarios into a single structure with generic parameter. So now I need to combine all these scenarios. So let's do it. Just copy it from here. So first condition is this one. Then what I need to do, instead of if, every time I will use else. Else if, then again I will use else if. So this is first, okay, this is second one, and this is third one. I need to use, okay, yeah. So this is else if, sorry, else if, and so instead of taking every time else if, what I can use here, I can remove this. I need to refactor this code. I can remove it from here, so it will work in same way. So first condition I'm matching, that will be current difference is equal to target. This will be less than target, and else it will be left plus plus, and it will start from here. Now I need to remove all the hardcode parameters. So this is my hardcode parameter and this one. So instead of this, what I can use, param1 I can use here, and param2 for this. For this I can use param2. So this is my final template, which is related to same direction pointers template. So once I will solve problem related to same direction pointers template, I will copy it from here. Sorry, I will copy it from here. I will paste it there, and based on my scenario, I will check whether my problem statement is matching with all three scenarios or not. Let's say if it is matching only with this scenario, so from there I will remove all these two scenarios, and based on this one scenario I will solve that particular problem. So sometime we need to modify our template, this particular template. So by using this we will solve this, and as you can see here, there are multiple use cases here related to this particular problem, this particular template: sliding window problem, removing duplicates, and substring sequence matching. So we can solve these many problems here. In our upcoming videos, we will solve first problem related to opposite direction. After solving opposite direction problem, then I will solve problem related to same direction. So then step by step we will implement this template there. and we will utilize it there, and it will help us to solve our problem very easily. So that's all from this video. I will share link in description, and you need not to worry about all this format whatever I have done here. So you just need to go here, and if you will go here, you will be able to find all those things which I have done there. So I will provide this particular link in description of this video. Yeah, so thanks guys. I will we will meet in another video.